going on there, guys? So as you can see, I got the 3DR Solo in front of me. This is compliments courtesy of Chris and Crystal Justice. Thank you very much. They know that my other Solo had a crash. This one has basically never flown before. It would never take off. This thing is basically brand new. It has a problem with Argicopter, so it's basically a 100% new Solo. But what we're going to be doing today is parting it out, unfortunately. I'm going to keep all the parts for this, but I have a silver motor. I can't remember if it's clockwise or counterclockwise. I think it's clockwise. I could be wrong. I'll have to look at it again. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to do a motor change. This is just really easy to figure out on the Solo because it's got a silver, and that's all I need. So we're going to show you how simple they made it to change the motors on the Solo. DJI, if you're listening, pay attention because this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Let's see if I can get this out of here. There we go. Pop the LED cover off, as you can see, just like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Let's go ahead and pull those 4 screws out. Do it just like so. I can get it. There we go. This is DJI could really learn from this, I promise. So this is interesting how they did this. The ESC, these are all the LEDs. The ESCs are actually built in to the motor. It's all one unit. So the lights, the ESC, and the motor all run off the motor pod. So we take out these 3 screws here. And get this out. And 1 more, and we're good to go. I don't think I'll have to remove this leg. Nope. Good. A little bit of a fight to get that one, but it's all good. We got her in the end. Put my hand down, catch that screw, boom. Alright, so I got all my screws. We're going to go ahead and put those aside right over here. We're going to flip this upright and check this out. Make sure I can still see this on cam. And the answer to that is yes. I'm going to back it up just a tad here. Alright, cool. All you do is pull up. That's it. Pull up. This one's going to put up a little bit of a fight here. There we go. And you see how it's plugged in? Really simple. You just unplug these wires, and then there's a white piece down here at the bottom that you unplug. So we'll start with these. We'll just unplug real quick. If I can get a hold of this one. Come on, you. Come on. There we go. And then we just unplug this one. Give a little pull here. This whole joint will come out. It's almost out. There we go. This motor pod is out. All you'd have to do is put in your new motor pod, put the 4 screws back in, and pop on the LED clip. Now tell me, DJI, did you design anything like that? LEDs, ESC, and motor all on one go? I don't think so. I think 3DR had this down pat.